Meaning of flanker.
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 Flanker. Flanker is a term that has multiple meanings depending on its context. In military tactics, a flanker is a person or group of people who are positioned on the side of a formation to provide additional protection. In sports, a flanker is a player who is positioned on the side of the playing field and is often responsible for receiving passes or making runs along the sideline. In aviation, a flanker is a type of fighter jet designed to accompany and protect other aircraft. Overall, a flanker plays a supporting or protective role in various fields.